Hi, this is Novi Area Tutoring, and I'm going to walk you through the Unit 12, Lesson 2, Radicals and Rational Exponents Advanced. This is problem number 1 in the Khan Academy practice. And if we look at this problem here, we have an expression, x to the 3 halves power times 1 over x to the 5 halves, the quantity squared. And we want to see what in the answer choices this is equivalent to. So we look on here, and we have 4 answer choices. The problem with this is that if you try to do the algebra in the original expression, you're going to get an answer, but that answer is not going to be in the same form as your answer choices. All right, so a strategy we're going to use, and we used it in one of the previous videos, is we're just going to plug in an x value. An easy x value, and because we're dealing with a 2 in the denominator, we know that x to the 3 halves power and x to the 5 halves power we can calculate by taking the root of x and then raising it either to the 3rd power, or in this case here, and this other one raising it to the 5th power. So a good number to use here would be 4, because we can take the square root of 4. Okay, so 4 to the 3 halves power is going to be equal to the square root of 4, which is 2 raised to the 3rd power. So that's going to come out equal to 8. Okay? X to the 5 halves power is equivalent to 4 to the 5 halves power, which is the square root of 4, which is 2 raised to the 5th power, which comes out equal to 32. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this expression as 8 times 1 over 32 squared. Okay, so I just plugged in 8 for the x to the 3 halves and 32 for the 4 to the 5 halves power. So that's going to come out to be 8, and I'm just going to multiply out the 1 over 32 because it's squared. Now look what we can do here. We can cancel. 8 goes into 32 4 times, so this is going to come out equal to 1 over 4 times 32, which is 128. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the answer choices and I'm going to plug in 4. And so what I'm looking for is I'm looking for 1 over 128. And I can see here that if I go down to here to my choices, now again, I'm looking for 1 over 128 as my answer when I plug in x equal 4. So I can see right away that this answer A is out. Okay. And then when I can check my other answers, so 1 over the square root of 4 to the 7th power. Now we're going to be allowed to use a calculator on here. Okay. And we get 4 raised to the 7th power is 16,384. Now, if we take the square root of that, we get 128. So it looks like our answer is going to be B in this case here. So again, we're using the strategy of plugging in an x value, a simple x value, and the key is understanding that we are dealing with the square root here. So 4 is a good value to plug in. Now you might have been tempted to plug in x equal 1, but if you notice in the choices, all of the answers on there, if you plugged in 1, they would all come out equal to 1. So we wouldn't be able to eliminate any choices. Okay, if you like that video, please like and subscribe to our channel, and I appreciate it, and I'll try to get more content out to you. Thank you.